We're going to install our rear wiper blade, located right on the back of our wiper arm here. Now our wiper arm is going to snap onto this little post right here. So what we want to do is go ahead and swing your arm up. I'm going to swing our wiper arm, and we're just going to continue to twist it out like so. And it unlocks from the notch in the wiper arm. Once you have that released, take the new one, slide this inside, put that post inside the wiper arm, and you can twist it and just rotate it. You'll hear it snap into place, and you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.